Hello, my name is Jim Olson and I'm going to make a short video on how to create a customized Twitter feed. And this Twitter feed is going to have tweets from selected people that you might be interested in following out on the internet. I am going to be showing this in WordPress, but I believe something similar can be done with HTML, other blog sites, and using iframe if necessary. The reason I wanted to create a custom Twitter feed is sometimes it seems like when I'm looking at my Twitter feed, it's very random and I have to slog through a lot of stuff to find some things that might be interesting. Sometimes I just want to veg out and do that, but other times I'd like to maybe look at some more content. So let's jump over to WordPress. This is my sandbox WordPress site, sandbox.drjimo.net. It's where I experiment with things. And I made a simple one here so I can kind of show you the end product and then how easy it is to make it. So this is my Twitter feed for Math Ed. And in this Twitter feed, I just have three sources of math education. I have this one from NCTM. I have these from Solve My Maths. And the third one I have is tweets from Desmos. Now, one of the important things to realize about this is that there are two scroll bars. There's an outside scroll bar, which I'm doing over here on the right-hand side. But then within the Twitter feed, I have another scroll bar. So if I want to look at the tweets from NCTM, I can scroll down here and it goes on and on and on and on, of course, because it's a Twitter feed. When I'm ready to go down to the next one for Solve My Maths, then I can use the scroll bar in the inside. So the two scroll bars work quite nicely, and this also works on an iPad. You just have to have your finger way over on the right-hand edge if you want to use this one. Okay, let's see how we can create one of these custom Twitter feed pages. So I'm in WordPress here and I'm going to go to New Page. And I'm going to type in the title of my page. Now there are two ways to get your information down here from another web page. And what I've done is I've gone through and selected a few Twitter feeds that I want to include, and I just put those into a Word document. So let's say this first one that I want to use here is for CSN Cubs. And the first way to do it is to hit Add Media, and then right here is Insert from URL. Then you paste your address there and insert into page. Now, sometimes it takes a couple seconds for this to work, but notice that there are the tweets from the Twitter feed of CSN Cubs. Notice on this right-hand side here, we have a flashing cursor, and if I hit enter, it drops me down below that feed. So now I'm going to go and get the second one. This is called Cubs Live. I'm going to add media, insert from URL. And now I'm to the right of that, so I'm going to hit enter and drop down below it. It turns out that you don't even need to use the add media. I believe that what I can do here is pick up this ESPN URL, and I believe I can just paste it right in there and wait for a few seconds, and it automatically turns it into the media. So let's go ahead and publish this and see if it works. So I'm going to hit View Page, And it looks like it's working pretty well here. I'm using the outside scroll bar, Twitter feed sports, and here are the tweets from CSN Cubs. And here are the tweets from Cubs Live. And here are the tweets from ESPN. Remember, there's the inside scroll bar if you want to look at more and more of those tweets. And here's the inside scroll bar for CSN Cubs. I found this to be very easy to do in WordPress, but I believe it's also possible using other blog sites and HTML. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a great day.